Today we're here at 46 Slinfold Close, a 4-bedroom family home a stone's throw from the Sussex County Hospital and a short walk from St James's Street. Why not come in and have a look? As you come in through the entrance hallway, you're welcomed into a bright and spacious family room with delightful views out to the East Brighton golf course. Upstairs we have 3 more bedrooms. And a beautifully renovated family bathroom. Downstairs is the spacious kitchen diner on the same footprint as the family room above. Ideal space for hosting friends and family with direct access out onto the garden. The secluded rear garden has been carefully configured to capture the last of the evening sun, creating the perfect outdoor area for entertaining on those long summer evenings. If you're interested in this property, please reach out to Eightfold today.